Hello everybody. This is just going to be a unboxing and probably like a fast forward build video of, well, you could probably guess what I got in the mail today. Let's get started. Got two packages actually. One here, and of course bought this charging dock. I didn't realize I need a charger for it, so that's coming up in a week or so. Ooh, very nice. I did not know this came with it. I'm going to be using this on my transmitter. Battery strap, I like that. I always need more of these. Parallel charger, this is really nice. Very, very nice. I'm glad that they include this because I have an E-Flight charger and it takes ages to charge anything. Plus it's not high volt, so I can't really use it. And then here we have shipping and stickers. Nice. Thank you, Newbie Drone, for sending me all the wonderful extra stuff that I did not expect. So going with the blue cockroach frame, and I'm not sure, I think I'm just going to leave it like this. I was going to paint it like a metallic bluish color. I was going to hand paint it with acrylic, so okay, we'll see what the AcroBee has inside of it. Nice. So they sent me 2 pairs of red props, which I'll use as backups. The white props that I ordered. Here we have what looks like the V-Brain all assembled. I like the packaging. I really like that they offer you this box because, I don't know, it just feels like packing stuff in foam and cardboard seems kind of dangerous sometimes, like you might break it. I have this extra connector, which I'm going to use for my Sport Cub S, which I had modified to be more like a bush plane. It flies alright, but I want some more power, so I want to use high volt batteries with it. I ended up getting 4 of these in the kit, and I bought 8 more to fit. And let's get to that package next. What do I do with that knife? So you're wondering, Zach, why would you spend money on individual packs of batteries? Well, let me explain. On Tattoo's website, they sell packs of 5 and single ones. The single ones were on sale for I think 20% off. When I did the math, obviously it's not as much of a savings when I bought 8, but if I had bought 10, I would have saved $1 compared to buying 10 as 2 packs of 5. So it was cheaper in the long run to buy these, and I don't mind opening up each pack, so we'll get to that later. But for now, let's build this thing. So I don't know how much of this I'm going to fast forward through. Pretty much everyone knows by now how to build a tiny loop. So I'm not too concerned about trying to, make a tutorial. This is just sort of like a fun video. Plus, I don't know who watches my channel, so if they find this useful, they find it useful. Move the V-Brain. We have some extra spare parts in here and grommets and things to mount it. Let's open up the cockroach frame. Toss that. So I think I'm not sure it really matters, but I'm pretty sure this is the way it's going to go on. So we'll start with this. Actually, I just realized. So it might be easier for me to, instead of trying to fit these onto the frame, fit them on the board first. I did notice that this is all rubber banded together, so let's go ahead. I won't cut it, this might be useful. I'll remove the rubber band if I can. But I really shouldn't grab with tweezers. I don't know why I didn't think of that. Comes off pretty easy. Remove the battery connector. Be careful not to damage this. Now I can move the camera a little bit so I can actually fit these grommets on. It looks like they sent a couple extra, 2 extra, which is very nice because I feel like one mess up, you could lose one of these things pretty easily. They probably roll a while. Okay, so I went ahead and just skipped the screwing in part. I had to go look for some stuff, screwdrivers and stuff to get it in. If it's good, everything's ready, I'm ready to put motors in. I'm going to go ahead and put the black motors in today. I have silver and gold, but I want to save the gold for now because I know these motors don't last very long, so I'm trying to make them last as long as possible, and I want the nice ones to, you know, I want to use those ones after I learn how to fly. So, using the black ones. Little tip, I'm going to say I don't know, I've seen a couple videos of these going together just to make sure I'm doing it right. My tip is, though, I see people twisting their motor wires. What I don't see them doing is grabbing the wire when they twist it. You don't want to twist against the motor. I've seen 100 posts of people breaking these wires, and they are pretty much impossible to fix after it breaks off the bottom of the motor. So it's not completely impossible, but it's almost not worth your while. So you pinch the wire, start twisting the bottom, and go up. Now I'm not too concerned about the twists being really nice, just enough to keep the wires from getting in the way. Now I just had to look up the motor orientation and locations because I was not completely sure, but it should be going, if I flip it over, blue and red and blue and red and black and white and black and white. So I'm going to flip that over and start putting them in. And you know, if I get it wrong, I get it wrong. I can fix it. That's what's really nice about these tiny little quads. They're not going to break your bank if you mess something up. I just noticed that, I don't know if you can see that at all. Let's see if I can't get this to focus. My webcam is very crappy. There's a little stub at the bottom of these legs to prevent the motor from going down too far, and I have my wires wrapped around that. I do not want that, so I'm going to take... What did I do with those? Oh well, I'll figure it out later. Alright, it should be ready to go. I'm going to plug it into Betaflight and look at everything and start charging batteries. And I will cut to some DVR footage of me hopefully ripping around the house, right?